today I'm going to be teaching you how to crochet a mini donut for a keychain. You're going to need a little bit of a tan and a color for the icing. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. I also have the pattern sitting right next to me that I wrote down, but if you want the written pattern, just go down to the description and I have it written out there for you. So let's get started. You're going to begin with your tan yarn. Start with a slip knot and a chain of 11. Alright, after you've chained 11, begin in the second chain from the hook with 1 single crochet and make a single crochet in every chain down the row. Now you should have 10 stitches, and now you are going to chain 1, turn your work, begin in that very first stitch and make 2 single crochet. And then you're going to make 2 single crochet in every stitch down the row, doubling your stitch count to 20. Now you're just going to chain 1 and turn your work, and in the next 2 rows you're just going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Alright, I just finished off with my tan, and you got sort of like a half circle, rainbow kind of shape. But now we are going to change our color. I'm using pink for my frosting, and I'm just going to chain 1 with that and turn my work. I'm going to work over my tails so I don't have to weave them in at the end of the project. So you're just going to put 1 single crochet in every stitch down the row. Alright, so at the end of that round, you should still have 20 stitches. You're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're just going to make single crochet 2 together all the way across your work, taking your stitch count back down to 10. Alright, now we are going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're just going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Now we are going to cut our pink yarn with enough for sewing it all together, so just, I'd say about this much. Yarn over and fasten off and get your sewing needle and some stuffing. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill this entire section with stuffing, and you're gonna sew up this part and the sides, and then you're just going to put it together like that. I do normally sew my projects together with the colored yarn, but I feel if you want to give it a more professional look, to just go with basic sewing thread and a needle. You can't see where you sewed it together and it looks really professional. It's done. Now all you have to do is add your keychain. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.